In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Greenlight card at an ATM. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. After you receive your Greenlight card and it has been properly activated, you will be able to use it at an ATM just like you would with any other card. Now, there are some prerequisites and some disclaimers that I have to make. First, for security purposes, the first transaction of your Greenlight card cannot be at an ATM. So first, you will have to use the card successfully in any online store, retailer, or at a sales register. And then afterwards, you will be able to use the Greenlight card at an ATM to withdraw money if there are any available funds. So first, I recommend that you go over to the Manage Cards section on the mobile app and you double check to see if the option to withdraw money from any ATM is enabled. After you double check it and after the card has been successfully used for at least one purchase online or at a sales register, all that you have to do is find an ATM. Look for an ATM with the MasterCard, Visa Interlink, or Maestro logo. You can use Greenlight at any ATM worldwide that displays these logos. Afterwards, insert your card and type your PIN. Your PIN is going to be a 4-digit PIN when prompted. Choose an account, so many ATMs will prompt you to choose an account. Select checking or general checking at the ATM and include the withdrawal amount. Enter the amount of cash that you want to withdraw, keeping in mind the following limits. The maximum daily limit that can be withdrawn per card is $100 per rolling 24-hour period. And the monthly maximum amount that can be withdrawn per family is $500 per rolling 30-day period. Afterwards, just complete the transaction. Follow the on-screen prompts and you will be able to get it done. Like I said, keep in mind that you need to have a successful first transaction done beforehand, and the card needs to be managed to allow the option to withdraw money from any ATM within the mobile app. Keep in mind about the ATM fees, which might be included, but you have to check with the ATM operator. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Greenlight card at an ATM. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.